Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an exciting topic that we all want to know more about: the 9 rules of money that can lead us on the path to wealth and financial freedom. So, if you're ready to transform your financial situation, buckle up and get ready to learn the secrets to getting rich. Hey there, folks. Welcome to our show where we discuss all things money related. Today, we have a special episode for you: 9 rules of money you must follow to get rich. Now, we all dream of achieving financial success, don't we? Well, with these 9 rules, you'll be well on your way to making that dream a reality. So, let's dive right in. Rule number 1: set clear financial goals. It's important to know where you're heading before you start your journey towards wealth. Take some time to sit down and define your financial goals. Do you want to pay off debt, save for retirement, or maybe start a business? By setting clear objectives, you'll be able to create a roadmap to success. Rule number 2: create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a powerful tool that helps you take control of your finances. Track your income and expenses, and allocate your money wisely. Remember, it's not just about earning money, it's about managing it effectively. Rule number 3: pay yourself first. This means saving and investing a portion of your income before you pay your bills or spend on other expenses. Treat your savings like a priority, and you'll start building wealth over time. Rule number 4: educate yourself. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Read books, attend seminars, or even consider hiring a financial advisor. The more you know, the better financial decisions you'll make. Rule number 5: diversify your income. Relying solely on a single income source can be risky. Explore different ways to generate income, such as starting a side business, investing in stocks, or earning passive income through real estate. Diversifying your income streams will provide stability and open up new opportunities for wealth creation. Rule number 6: control your debt. High-interest debts can drain your financial resources and hinder your progress. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first and avoid unnecessary borrowing. By managing your debt effectively, you'll have more money available for saving and investing. Rule number 7: think long-term. Building wealth takes time and patience. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and focus on long-term strategies. Invest in assets that appreciate over time, such as stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Rule number 8: surround yourself with success. They say you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who have achieved financial success. Their knowledge, habits, and mindset will rub off on you, and you'll be inspired to reach new heights. Rule number 9: give back. Sharing your wealth and helping others not only brings joy but also attracts abundance. Consider donating to causes you care about or supporting charitable organizations. Remember, generosity has a way of coming back to you in unexpected ways. And there you have it, folks, the 9 rules of money you must follow to get rich. Set clear goals, create a budget, pay yourself first, educate yourself, diversify your income, control your debt, think long-term, surround yourself with success, and give back. By implementing these rules into your financial journey, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial success and living the life of your dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, apply these rules, and let's get rich together. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And remember, your financial success is within your reach. Until next time, take care and keep hustling.